Hello, everyone. Do you remember who I am? Yes, I'm Philip. Hi, good to see you again. Okay, and we're going to continue our study of American Headway. We're still on Unit 1. Okay, we're still on Unit 1, and we are on page 6. We're going to talk about communication. Okay, 우리가 communicate 할 때, what do we say? How do we communicate? I'm wearing a Hawaiian shirt today. 그래서 hello보다 I want to say aloha. 하와이안으로 인사하고 싶은데요. Anyway, we're going to learn about different ways of communication and 타이틀을 보면 reading이죠. reading 부분을 우리가 같이 공부를 하면서 we are going to learn English together. Okay? This is our second time seeing each other, so I don't say nice to meet you. By the way, okay? 우리가 두 번 만나는 거니까 두 번째 만나는 거니까 여기서는 nice to meet you라고 안 그러죠. nice to meet you는 처음 만났을 때만 만나서 반갑습니다라는 그런 뜻이죠. So we just say, it's good to see you again, okay? And let's start. Number 1, how many different ways can people communicate? When I want to say something to somebody or when I want somebody to know something, how do I communicate? How do we usually communicate? We use the phone a lot. We send 문자 메시지를 뭐라 그러지 영어로? Text messages라고 그러죠. SMS we send text messages. 요즘은 많이 안 그러는데 we write letters. We write and send letters. We send emails. We chat. Okay. chatting도 많이 하죠. 지금 이 창 오픈해놓고 또 옆에서 채팅하시는 분들도 계실 텐데 집중! Focus. Okay, let's focus. We chat. We communicate through books, movies, TV, online lectures. We communicate through many different ways. Look at the pictures. There's a message in a bottle. And then there's an old Italian man인가요? He looks Italian, right? Writing with a feather pen and ink. 그리고 the third picture is smoke signals. Make a fire and make smoke signals. Anyways, 이런 게 있는데 but there are ways that we communicate without speaking, right? We use our body language. 미국에 처음 이민 갈 때는 항상 이 body language로 communicate을 하죠. So let's look at page 118. And page 120, and look at some of the things that we can say without actually saying it. Okay? 외국에서는, 미국에서는 이런 표현들을 말로 안 할 때 how do they say it with their body? Let's look at page 118. What time is it? What time is it? 이걸 어떻게 물어볼까? Without using words. What time is it? It's pretty simple, right? Right? What time is it? What time is it? Okay. What about, do you want a cup of coffee? 와, 이거는 아무래도 you have to do this, right? You have to put your fingers in the cup and do this, right? Not this. This is not coffee, okay? Coffee, something like that. Next, I have a headache. I have a headache. 이러면 되죠. Okay. I have a headache. I have a headache. 그다음에 I'm hot. I'm cold. Pretty easy. 한국에서 하는 거랑 거의 똑같죠. Okay. I like your haircut. I like your haircut. Haircut 했는데 마음에 든다. I like your haircut. 뭐 이런 식으로 하면 되겠죠. Okay? And I can't carry this bag. 가방이 너무 무거워서 못 들었나? I can't carry this bag. 이렇게 하면 안 돼요. 이러면 안 되겠죠. That's kind of rude, right? We have to say, something like this, right? I can't carry this bag. All right, let's go to page 120. I'm tired. I'm tired. It's pretty easy, right? It's the same everywhere. Okay, I'm tired. That means I'm tired. Okay. Can you swim? 이게 아니, 이건가. Can you swim? Okay. Do you have any money? You can do the pocket thing or and do you have money? Do you have money? This food is too hot. 네, 이 hot가 spicy이라는 말이죠. 맵다. It's too spicy, too hot. Okay. Or I'll call you at 7. 내가 전화하겠다. 아니면 네가 전화해라. 뭐 똑같아요. Okay. 그 다음에 what's that awful smell? Oh, that smells. Ooh, that smells. 제 친구는 이래요. 냄새나. Okay. Ooh, what's that smell? Okay, that was pretty fun. That was pretty easy. Okay. And there are other things too, right? 이건 뭐죠? Okay, 알았다. Or that's great. That's wonderful. Okay? That's fantastic. 이라는 그런 말이죠. What about this? I'm hungry. 배가 고프다. I'm hungry. Okay? There are lots of things that we can say without using words, but we're learning English. So let's try to figure out what the different ways of communication are with English, okay? With English. Let's look at number 3. Read the text on page 7 quickly and match the correct heading to each paragraph. 일단 quickly라고 했으니까 ready? We can communicate with other people many different ways. Okay, just kidding. 그렇게 하면 안 되죠. Okay. Let's read it together. Okay, just one sentence at a time, and then talk about the meaning. And then 여기서 title, we'll put the title onto the correct paragraph. Let's look at the first paragraph. We can communicate with other people in many different ways. We can tell people things in many different ways. Okay. Next, we can talk and write. We can send messages with our hands and faces. We just did that, right? Sending messages with hands and facial expressions. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, I'm sad. Okay. With faces. Next, there is also the telephone, including the cell phone. Cell phone. 휴대폰이요. 휴대전화를 cell phone이라고 해요. In England, other parts of the world 아시죠? mobile phone이라고 그러죠. MOBILE. 근데 또 mobile phone, 그것도 미국식 발음이에요. mobile이라고 하죠. mobile phone. 이라고도 많이 하죠. cell phone은 cellular의 줄임말이고요. CELLULAR. Okay, cellular phone. There's also the telephone, including the cell phone. And then the fax and email. Okay, fax and email. Television, movies, painting, and photography can also communicate ideas, the things that we want to show other people and tell other people. Okay, we can do that through photography and painting, pictures, okay, movies, TV, many different ways. We read this paragraph together. Now let's look at the titles. A history of communication이 있고요. How we communicate, communication today, and then differences between people and animals. 이거 뭐 TOEFL이나 이런 거 할 때 이런 거 나오죠. What is the main topic, main idea of this speech? 뭐 이런 식으로 얘기를 하는데요. 그러면 또 하기 싫어지죠. I don't want to. Okay, but actually it's really easy. 생각보다 쉬워요. Let's look. The first sentence says, we can communicate with other people in many different ways. That's the topic sentence, right? Look at the topic sentence and then look at the choices that we have. Many different ways. 많은 방법이 있다. How? 어떻게 communicate을 하나? How we communicate. It's easy. Okay, put that there. Boom, bam, write it there. How we communicate. That is the title, the heading of this paragraph. Okay, well, we read it together. So right now, let's just close our eyes and let's listen. Listen to this whole thing right now. Are you ready? Let's listen. We can communicate with other people in many different ways. We can talk and write, and we can send messages with our hands and faces. There is also the telephone, including the cell phone, the fax, and email. Television, movies, painting, and photography can also communicate ideas. All right, very good. It's not that hard. It's a paragraph, and so we say, I don't like to read. If we just read one sentence at a time, it's okay, right? 문장 하나씩 읽으면 괜찮은데 여러 개가 paragraph가 있을 때는 좀 부담스럽지만 it's not that hard. Okay, so we talked about the many different ways that we communicate. What can we learn? We can talk about this with other people, right? How often do you use your cell phone? How many minutes do you use your cell phone? 이렇게 물어볼 수도 있죠. We can talk to people like that. Or you can say, do you remember when we used to write letters in high school, but we don't write letters anymore? We can talk about things like that. Do you like to paint? Do you like painting? Is that how you communicate? How do you show your feelings? Okay? 이런 식으로 다른 사람하고 대화를 할 때, when we talk to other people, if we have these things in our mind, it becomes more fun to talk with other people. Okay? Next, we're going to read a little bit of science, I guess. Okay, let's look at the next paragraph. 좀 길어요. 두 번째 paragraph는요. Okay, and we'll read again one sentence at a time, and then we'll try to put the right heading onto the paragraph. Okay, let's look. Animals have ways of exchanging information too. Okay, animals, they talk to each other, not with words, of course, but animals communicate with each other, and they have ways of exchanging information. So they have ways of exchanging information. For example, they give examples. Bees dance and tell other bees where to find food. 거리춤을 춘다. Bees, I don't know. They dance and tell other bees where to find food. Elephants make sounds that humans can't hear. I didn't know that. I thought there were sounds that dogs can hear that we can't hear. I didn't know that elephants also, they make sounds that we can't hear. Interesting. Whales sing songs. Yeah, we know that, right? Whales sing the whale songs. 그 영화 Finding Nemo 보셨죠, right? The whale song. Okay. I love that movie. And then monkeys use their faces to show anger and love. Monkey sound는 뭐죠? 이러면서 또 facial expressions. They use their faces to show anger and love. But this is nothing compared to what people can do. Okay? 그 말 그대로 사람들이 할 수 있는 것하고 비교를 하면 이것은 아무것도 아니다. This is nothing compared to what people can do. 읽으면서 그러면 자동적으로 why가 나오죠. Why? 왜 그건 아무것도 아니냐? 사람들은 뭘 할 수 있는데? Why? When we speak, 우리가 말을 할 때도 이렇게 해야 되지만 when we read, we also have to do this. 예측을 하는 거예요. What is he going to talk about? What are they going to say? So why의 answer이 바로 나오죠. We have language. 왜냐하면 we have language. 우리는 언어가 있으니까. We have the ability to speak languages. About 6,000 languages, in fact. Okay. Alright. 여기서 in fact, 사실은이라고 우리가 많이 배웠는데요. In my experience, 제 경험으로는 사실은이라는 뜻보다 we use in fact when we say something that more clearly explains what we said before. Do you understand this? Okay. 앞에 말했던 걸 조금 더 구체적으로 설명할 때 in fact를 써요. 그러니까 사실은보다 사실은 그러면은 앞부분은 거짓말인데 사실은 뭐 이렇게 생각을 할 수도 있죠. Right? So, let me give you an example. I am very heavy. Okay? 난 무거워요. Okay? I'm very heavy. 그리고 그걸 좀 더 설명할 때 in fact okay? 어떤 사실을 알려줄게요. In fact 근데 이거 사실은이라는 뜻이 아니고 좀 더 한다면 in fact I weigh 우리 그냥 가까운 사이 돼요. Okay? I weigh 86 kilograms. 86kg예요. 시상해. Okay, let's continue. 와, 진짜 이 뭐 explanation을 하나 해드리려고 제가 이런 것까지 얘기를 다 해버리네요. Okay. 그래서 여기서도 about 6,000 languages는 앞에 we have language를 좀 더 설명해 주는 거죠. Right? Okay? About 6,000 languages, in fact. 그 다음, we can write poetry, tell jokes, okay? Make promises, explain, persuade, tell the truth, or tell lies. 솔직히 말할 수도 있고 거짓말을 할 수도 있고요. Right? 이런 거짓말 많이 하잖아요. 와, you look nice. 이런 거짓말 많이 하죠. Okay? So there are many different ways. 뭐 제가 I weigh 86 kilograms 그랬을 때 이런 거짓말. That's okay. That's not bad. 뭐 이런 거짓말이요. We can lie. And we have a sense of past and future, not just present. Okay? 이런 센스가 있다. 과거에 대한 우리 feeling이 있고 미래에 대한 센스도 있고. So, since we have these many different ways in which we communicate with our language, we are better communicators than animals. Okay. 그러면 여기에 title. What's the title for this? Easy, right? Talking about animals. 그럼 보면은 differences between people and animals가 되겠죠. So you just write that right there. Differences between people and animal. 영어 쓰는 것도 연습 많이 하세요. 이렇게 여기다 그냥 화살표 팍 이렇게 그려놓지 말고 write it. Just write it, okay? Write it. Okay. Let's listen to this again also so we could practice our listening skills a little bit. All right, so let's listen to this together. Animals have ways of exchanging information too. Bees dance and tell other bees where to find food. Elephants make sounds that humans can't hear. Whales sing songs. Monkeys use their faces to show anger and love. But this is nothing compared to what people can do. We have language, about 6,000 languages, in fact. We can write poetry, tell jokes, make promises, explain, persuade, tell the truth, or tell lies. And we have a sense of past and future, not just present. All right, very good. It's not, as I keep on telling you, it's not as hard as it looks. 우리가 처음 봤을 때는 와, 이 7페이지 되게 마음에 안 든다. 무슨 글이 이렇게 많아. And it looks difficult, but when we actually study it together, it's not that difficult at all. Okay, not at all. Let's look at the third paragraph. The third paragraph. Okay, are you ready? Communication technologies were very important in the development of ancient societies. 아, 여기서부터 별로 하기 싫어져요, right? Communication technologies, 단어가 이렇게 길어. Communication technologies were very important in the development of ancient societies. Societies, 사회, ancient, 고대, development, 발전, right? Development, and then important technology, 기술, communication technology. 그렇게 보면, it's pretty easy, right? So communication technologies, communication skills were very important for the growth, development of the ancient societies. 그리고 they have some points, 4 points about ancient societies. Okay, let's look. Around 2900 BC, paper and hieroglyphics transformed Egyptian life. Okay, 여기서 2900년 BC라고 했는데, how do you say that in English? 2900 BC라고 할 수도 있고요. You can say 2900 BC. You can say it that way too. Okay, so around 2900 BC or 2900 BC, paper and 그 다음에 이거는 ancient 옛날 Egyptian writing이죠. Picture writing 발음은 hieroglyphics라고 하면 돼요. hieroglyphics. 오케이. 밑에 D의 그 그림을 보면은 hieroglyphics가 보이죠. 오케이. There's hieroglyphics right there. Around 2900 BC, paper and hieroglyphics transformed Egyptian life. Okay, let's look at point number 2. The ancient Greeks loved the spoken word. Greek people, ancient Greek people, they loved to talk. 만나면 토론을 했어요. Right? The Greek people. They debated and they discussed and they talked about all kinds of things. The stars, the moon, the weather, the ocean, love, and just so many things. Okay? They were very good at public speaking, drama, and philosophy라고 나오죠. Next, in the 15th century는 15세기죠. The printing press helped develop new ways of thinking across Europe. Okay? 여러분, do you like history? Do you like history? Actually, I was a history major in university. 저는 세계사 공부를 했어요. 그래서 저는 너무 관심이 많아요. I have a lot of interest in history about communication, about correctly communicating things. Okay? Speaking and communication is so very important. Okay? Writing is so important. So we need to learn how to write. We need to learn how to speak to persuade other people to think the way that I think. Then I can become an influential person. Okay? 영향력이 있는 사람이 되기 위해서는 글도 잘 써야 되고 말도 잘해야 돼. Then other people will be able to think the way that I think. 내가 생각하는 대로 다른 사람이 또 생각을 하게 되잖아요. Right? That is influence. Okay? So we are trying to communicate so that we can influence other people. And then there are also other benefits too, right? If we are good communicators, we can have a better job. We can make more money. We can appear to be very smart. Okay. Anyway, the printing press, 인쇄기죠, 인쇄기. In the 15th century, the printing press helped develop new ways of thinking across Europe. Okay. 지금 우리가 무슨 얘기를 했어요? 다 역사 얘기를 했죠. So, when we look at the choices that we have for the heading, a history of communication. Okay. That's right. So we have that. So we put that there. 거기다 넣으면 되죠. Okay. 꼭 이런 학생들이 있어요. 3개 했으니까 마지막은 남은 거 마지막이네. 여기다 띵 놓고 그냥 아예 읽지도 않아요. Okay. Our purpose and what we're trying to do is not to fill in all the answers. Okay. 왜냐면 목적은 그냥 이 답만 다 쓰는 게 아니죠. It is to actually learn as much as we can. So, let's do that. But before we do that, of course, we have to listen to the third paragraph, right? So let's listen to the third paragraph together right now. Communication technologies were very important in the development of ancient societies. Around 2900 BC, paper and hieroglyphics transformed Egyptian life. The ancient Greeks loved the spoken word. They were very good at public speaking, drama, and philosophy. The Romans developed a unique system of government that depended on the Roman alphabet. In the 15th century, the printing press helped develop new ways of thinking across Europe. Okay, very good. Now we go to the last paragraph. 그냥 마지막은 뭔지 아니까 그냥 쓸게요. 넘어가요. 이러지 말고요. Let's go to the last one. All right, radio, movies, and television have had a huge influence on society in the last 100 years. Okay. 읽을 때 제가 huge에 좀 이렇게 accen트를 줬어요, right? Kind of a stress. 좀 이렇게 강조를 했어요, right? I said huge. Why did I do that? The reason I did that was because 영어는 꼭 그런 식으로 얘기를 해요. 그냥 radio, movies, and television have had a huge influence in society 하면 이게 영어가 아니죠, right? We have to, when people write, when we speak, we accentuate certain things, we stress certain things. 그래서 huge라는 단어가 좀 huge 하잖아요, right? So we say radio, movies, and television have had a huge influence on society in the last 100 years. 100년 동안 influence, 영향, right? A lot of influence. And now we have the internet, which is infinite. Okay, internet은 뭐 무한 제한이 없다. It can go forever. We can do so many things. But what is this doing to us? 하지만 what is this doing to us? 우리에겐 무슨 영향을 끼치나? What is this doing to us? We can give and get a lot of information very quickly, right? That's an advantage. We can give information very quickly. Information, whoosh, right? And we can receive it very, very quickly. Okay? But there is so much information. 또 이게 so much. 그냥 자연스럽게 그렇게 돼요. Okay? And when you learn English and when you speak a lot of English, then it will happen to you as well. Just automatically. Okay? But there is so much information that it is difficult to know what is important and what isn't, right? 중요한 것, 중요하지 않은 것, 구별하기 힘들어지고. And then something that is true and something that is not true. It's difficult to tell. 구별하기 힘들어져요. Modern media are changing our world every minute of every day. 현대 미디어가 우리의 세상을 항상 바꾸고 있다라고 그랬는데요. 여기서 문법적인 거 하나 보죠. Modern media is가 아니고 are이라고 했어요. Modern media are changing our world. 약간 어색하죠. is 아닙니까? 여기서는 미디어가 medium, M-E-D-I-U-M, 매체라는 뜻이죠. 수단이라는 뜻이죠. 그 medium이라는 단어의 복수가 media예요. So we use the plural. Okay, so we say modern media are changing our world every minute of every day. 이건 뭐죠? Communication today. Whoosh, put it there, write it down. Okay, and I think we are ready to listen again. Okay, let's listen. Radio, movies, and television have had a huge influence on society in the last 100 years. And now we have the internet, which is infinite. But what is this doing to us? We can give and get a lot of information very quickly. But there is so much information that it is difficult to know what is important and what isn't. Modern media are changing our world every minute of every day. Okay, very good. And now that we've read these things, we need to talk about it. 읽었으니까 이것에 대해서 좀 얘기를 해야 되겠죠? And that's what we're going to do in number 4. Read the text again and answer the questions, right? Okay, so let's look at the questions. Number 1. Which animals are mentioned? What can they do? Okay. 혼자 하기 힘들어요. 그렇죠? 이런 걸 혼자 하기 힘드니까 get somebody, okay? Get your mom, 엄마, okay? Get your mom. Which animals are mentioned? Say that to your mom. 그러면 we can say the paragraph talks about whales. The paragraph talks about bees. Or we can say elephants are mentioned in this reading. 이런 식으로 답을 다양하게 우리가 만들 수 있어요. Okay? Whales sing songs. Elephants make sounds that people cannot hear. Okay? Bees dance. Okay? Something like that. We can do stuff like that. 그 다음에 number 2. What is special about human communication? What can we do? 여기에 we는 italics로 꾸별인 이 italics로 we라고 했죠. 강조해요. So 만약에 우리가 말을 할 때는 we have to say what can we do? We have to kind of stress that. What can we do? What is special about human communication? Well, we have language. We have languages. We have 6,000 languages. We could talk about that. What else can we do? We can write poetry. It's all there, right? We can write poetry. We can tell jokes. We can make promises. We can explain. 이런 식으로 답을 하면 되고요. And then number 3, which 4 forms of media are mentioned in the last paragraph? We have the internet, and we have television, radio, movies. Okay, so we have all these different things that they mentioned. So 답을 할 때는요, which four forms of media are mentioned? Well, we say radio, movies, television, and the internet are mentioned in the last paragraph. 이런 식으로 하면 되죠. What is good and bad about information technology today? We talked about it, right? It's fast, so it's good. But sometimes the information is wrong, so it's bad. Okay? And then, what do you think? What can animals do that people can't? How do you like to communicate? You, italics. What is happening in information technology now? Okay? These are things that we can talk about with each other, with your friends, with your family members. Okay? Well, 수고하셨어요. It was a little bit difficult, right? And so hopefully you could listen to this again, watch it again, just review a lot. Okay? Think about the different words that we talked about, the different pronunciation that we had, sentence structures, all these things. Maybe you can write a lot of things as well, okay, to practice. And everyone have a fantastic day. I'll see you again at the next lecture, okay? Bye-bye.